Yo, what up YouTube? It's S aka Scott. Busting a box of 0708 Bowman. Looking for Durant rookies. We did one box of the group break. So I'm still trying to sell. I'm trying to sell the rest of these after this box probably. We're gonna do raffles or group breaks. If anyone wants any, please let me know. It's 18 packs. 3 hits. Alright. It's a refractor, Richard Jefferson. It's nothing special. I think this is our first jersey. Jeff Green, jersey. Wilcox, refractor. Next jersey. Mike Conley. Haven't got a rookie card yet. Still no rookie. So these boxes are weird. Torian Green rookie. Marcus Williams rookie. I think they're numbered to 2009. It's not bad. Wilson Chandler rookie out of 2099. Still looking for the auto. Hopefully get Greg Oden. He's basically the best one you can get. So base. It's not that many rookies per box. That's why I guess Durant goes for $30. Louis Scola, he's still a free agent, unrestricted. As far as Crittenden, number to 399. Still like 6 packs left. All base. 4 packs left. Still should be an auto. Jason Smith. Terrible. Josh McRoberts out of 599. Matt, hopefully you get the Durant rookie. Last 2 packs. Louis Scola. Last pack. Nope. Morris Allen. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.